I wanted to show you guys the self leveler I was using. So this is LevelQuik. I got it from Home Depot. And so I failed to mention, I had already primed the concrete floor. I used this LevelQuik. So this is the primer that's recommended for it. It says if you're going to go over porous surfaces, you dilute your primer and water at a 1:3 ratio. So that's what I did. Alright guys, so we're going to mix some self-leveling concrete. And so I've got 2.5 quarts of water in here. I'm going to mix up exactly a half a bag. If I can get it out of here. And you always add your concrete to your water, not the other way around. So we're going to add another half a quart. Can't take water out, but you can put water in, so add it slowly. I'll add just a little bit more water. So I've got it right at a half a quart left. I want it to be pretty runny, so it'll flow real good. Alright, so let's go pour it. I got this little form. I'm going to put it on this mat so I don't spill it. I'm going to kind of just ladle it in here. This is going to be a shower curb. I think this cup right here is going to be about all that I need. I'm going to get my measuring tape. I need it at about 24 inches, which is about perfect. I know this is about 24 inches because I can tell, because it's about full. .4 inches. And so we're going to let that level out. I might agitate it a little bit. Might just leave it alone because I think it's alright. So we're going to let this just settle out and let it be good. It'll float if it needs to move a little bit, but for the most part I think it's going to be setting at about 24 inches. That corner is a little bit low. So we're going to let this just settle out and let it be good. It'll float if it needs to move a little bit. Alright, now we got another spot in here. We can pour some more, pour the rest of this. Might mix it up some more. Looks like it's starting to try to set up. First thing, I've got a couple screws I'm going to put over this drain hole to just to add some extra support. So I got my laser set up, and you can see it's hitting at 25. So that is my highest point. This, I've measured the perimeter of my room in 25. I know that's the highest point. So if I measure my concrete here, it measures at like 25 1/4. So that means I have to raise the top of the concrete up to get 25, so I haven't put too much down. So and this stuff bonds to itself, so you can put a layer down and then come back and put another layer down, so this will be perfect.